In this video, I'm going to show you how to export data from ThinkorSwim to Excel. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Monitor tab top left, and then here under Activity and Positions, you could go ahead and export this data, for example. So there's a bunch of different things you can export. You could export this position statements. You can pretty much export anything over here by just clicking on this three lines top right and then export the file. So you can export this. You can go ahead and export today's trade activity. You could go ahead and export account statements for specific date ranges over here and for specific symbols. And whenever you find something you want to export, so some data, you can just click on that, click on export the file, and it's going to export as CSV. So if I put it inside my downloads here, I'm going to click on save, and I'm going to show you this is actually going to open up in Excel. So let me actually do this really quickly. There we go. I have my account statement over here. I can just click on it, and it's basically going to open this data inside Excel over here, and I can then do whatever I want with it. So that's how to use it. That's how to export. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.